Now to the fourth chorus. Find your 3-draw. Listen to me first here. Now we add the 3 blows. This is a pickup. You can hear that those 3 blows are introducing the 3/4. That's called a pickup. So our rhythm would be 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 2, 3. Alright, we get our first big mother of a lick. So we're looking at the 4-chord lick. Now what do I mean by 4-chord? If you look on top of the music, there's a Roman numeral 1. The next measure, there's a Roman numeral 5. And the next measure, there's a Roman numeral 4. Let's take a look at that on the paper. We see 3, 4, 3, 3, 3, 4. See this line right here? This is called the bar line. So the space from here to here is called the first bar, also known as a measure. From this bar line to this bar line, that's the second measure or second bar. From here, etc. So we have 3, 4, rest, rest, 3, 3, 3, 4. See how these 3 blows precede this second bar? So you can visually see that that's a pickup. I'll also talk about where we are relative to the chord. We have a Roman numeral 1 right here. So that's the location of the 1 chord. Roman numeral 5, that's the location of the 5 chord. Roman numeral 4 over here, slide this over, is the location of the 4 chord. When speaking to blues musicians, that's the common terminology that we use of where we are at. I'm on the 4, I'm on the 1. So let's go ahead and go back into our lick. We've got 3, 4, 2, 3. Okay, so we're at that 4-chord lick. It starts with the same 4 notes. Then we add a 5 blow. And I would recommend that you add 1 note at a time. So you're going 1, 2, 3. Keep playing that until you get used to that rhythm. Then we add the 6. A little slower. 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. Then you add the 5 blow. And then the 4. Get the idea as you add 1 note. Now also there's a breathing pattern here. We've got blow, blow, draw, draw, blow, 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 5 blow, 6 blow, 5 blow. So get used to that. 5, 6, 5. Then draw, draw, blow. Think about where there is breathing patterns that you can use to your advantage to help you learn some of these more challenging licks, and that is one. Moving on. And right away we start on our 6 blows. It's called a turnaround lick. That's a great lick. Let's try playing that together. Find your 3-draw. Did you make it on that one? Yeah, now that's a challenging chorus. What do you do? Slow it down. There's a lot of licks going on there. So let's slow this sucker down to 32% slow. And if that's too fast, slow that sucker down to 50% slow. Whatever software you're using, whatever increments it allows you. Oh yeah, this is pretty slow. Now the music gets kind of warbly, a little digital sounding. 1, 2, 3. Here we go. 2, 3. 2, 3. Well, that lick was a little bit easier at that tempo. Now, maybe that was too slow. That gives you an idea is that you can control that. A little side note about breathing. Now, I just took 2 draws in. At that rest there, you can exhale. Again, exhale if you need to, but you probably don't need to because you played blow, blow, draw, draw. That's a balanced airstream because you just played 2 blows and 2 draws. That one's pretty well balanced as well. But you notice there's no rest after that 3 blow. But if you let that note decay with a nice tremolo, you can exhale or inhale if you need to. If you needed to inhale, you could inhale. That's another reason for letting your longer notes decay, is it gives you a chance to breathe. Take a quick drink of water. You've got it right next to you on the bandstand. Only takes 3 or 4 beats in a slow blues, and you continue on. Maybe you took in a lot of air there. Allows you to exhale if you let that note decay. Now, there was a lot of blows after that. Maybe you didn't need to get rid of air at that point. So, just letting you know that when you have those longer notes, that is your opportunity if you bring your volume down before the actual notated note ends. It both sounds good, sounds musical, also gives you the opportunity for breath balance if you need to.